Hello parents and future innovators, welcome back to Precision Playthings. So today we are gonna go ahead and disassemble this Mechanix Junior kit. We built this into an aeroplane last time, but this time it's gonna be a bike. So stay with us until the end of the video. We will go ahead and build this into a Batmobile. So this is the instruction manual for the Mechanix Junior. And we will be building model number 9, which looks exactly like a Batmobile. So without further ado, let's start building. We are going to go ahead and build this model number 9, which looks like a Batmobile. There are no build instructions for these models, so let us go ahead and look at the picture and start building. I'm going to go ahead and build the rear end of the vehicle. So these are the pieces required for step 1. So let's start building. The part of the rear tire is complete. Let us move to the front section. So these are the required pieces to build the front of the vehicle. This should go ahead and complete the build. So let's continue building. Drop a like if you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe to Precision Playthings on Facebook and Instagram for regular updates on STEM and educational toys. Thank you. Have a great day.